Now, you can see it's all finished, all done, and all strung up now for the sound test. What you'll see is on the bridge pickup, it's got that lovely Telecaster twang. Now if you switch to the middle position, you'll get that more blurry kind of S sound. So you get that. That kills my hand, so excuse that example. Okay, then if you go to the bridge position, which is wholly on that, which is where a lot of this stuff takes place, you'll get the real blur sound, which is something like that sort of sound. Plus you'll get the more tony sort of. Plus you'll also get his, his solo sound, which is more of a, just that more of a sound. So there we go. All sorts of different sounds out of this, and this definitely sounds much more blurrified now. Okay, so I'm going to finish off now with a song that I put together. It's not a blur song, but it is a Grand Coxon, because this isn't a blur guitar, it's a Grand Coxon guitar. Thanks for watching.